What's up, you guys? I hope everyone's being safe out there due to the current virus outbreak and making the best of their quarantine time. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thanks for tuning in to my channel today, where we discuss all things finance, real estate, and life. If these topics interest you, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get content updates, as I am posting on a weekly basis. So today I decided to make a real estate video, and guys, I plan on making more real estate related content in the future. But for this particular video I'm doing today, I wanted to discuss some real estate concepts for those of you who are starting out on the real estate journey or have an interest in real estate investing. Honestly, guys, I feel real estate investing is just awesome. It's awesome. It has changed my life in so many ways. And when I say that, not just financially, because while money is important, there's so much more to real estate than just collecting a rent check or flipping a property. Real estate really is a people business. It's a customer service business. The relationships that I've been able to develop over the last couple years with my broker, my real estate agent, insurance agent, and potential tenants or clients has been a great experience, guys. Now, real estate, like any other business, is not a perfect business. It's not a perfect industry. It's not always sunshine and rainbows, but with the proper methods in place and the proper support system, it can be a great industry. So in this video, I'm going to discuss different methods, different ways that you can make money through real estate investing. Now, there are many different ways to make money in real estate, but for the purposes of this video, I'm specifically addressing buy and hold real estate, which is what I'm currently doing. Buy and hold refers to the process of purchasing a rental or investment property and holding it, meaning you're renting it out. So you ask, well, why invest in real estate? Well, simply, when you invest in real estate, the goal is to put money to work today. So money today, and allow it to increase so that you have more money in the future. Profit or return you make on your investments must be enough to cover your expenses and the risk you take. These include taxes you pay, a mortgage payment if you have one, and any other costs of owning the real estate such as utilities, regular maintenance, and insurance. When you invest in real estate, there are several ways you can make money, and I'm going to go into those right now. One way is through real estate appreciation. So this occurs when a property increases in value due to a change in the real estate market. For example, the land around your property could become scarcer or busier, like when a major shopping center is built nearby, or you could have made upgrades to the property that makes it more valuable. So there are two types of appreciation. There's market appreciation, which has to do with supply and demand, and typically averages about 2 to 4% per year, depending on the market. And the other type is forced appreciation, which happens through the process of renovating and improving a property to make it more valuable. Now, I have experienced forced appreciation through a commercial 6-unit apartment building that I purchased in 2018. I mean, this property had a lot of deferred maintenance. It was tore up from the ground up, guys, with very low below market rent. So over the course of the last 2 years, I was able to renovate and upgrade each unit. I redid plumbing, landscaping, and I was able to increase the value of this property by $250,000, which also increases my overall net worth. Now, if you're interested in learning more about net worth, I do have a video on the channel that discusses this in greater detail. So the second way that you make money in real estate is through cash flow income. Cash flow income focuses on buying a real estate property, such as an apartment building, and operating it so you collect a stream of cash from tenant rent. Now, you should always strive to have a positive cash flow. So for example, if you had a property that was bringing in $1,500 a month in cash flow from rent, and your total expenses such as your mortgage, your insurance, taxes, maintenance, etc. was $1,200, then that means you would have a $300 per month positive cash flow. The goal is to always make sure that your rents received cover all of your costs, and hopefully, ideally, leaves money left over each month for you to reinvest into other properties or pay down your mortgage as quickly as possible. Another method which is awesome and has helped me out is you smashing the like button on the video so that YouTube knows you guys are engaged and enjoying the content. No, but for real, another method I love almost more than monthly cash flow would be depreciation. Depreciation allows you to deduct the cost of buying and improving a property over its useful life and lowers your taxable income in the process. Rental property owners, such as myself, use depreciation to deduct the cost of buying and improving a property. So depreciation starts as soon as the property is in service as a rental. Most residential properties depreciated over 27 and a half years, and commercial property over 39 years. Residential property refers to single-family homes or 4 units or less. Commercial refers to properties that are 5+ units, or office buildings, skyscrapers, shopping malls, etc. Now with depreciation, only the value of the building can be depreciated. You can't depreciate land because it's never used up. An example would be if you bought a residential property for $200,000, and let's say the value of the building was $125,000, this is the amount that you would be able to claim as a tax deduction on your taxes over 27 and a half years. Now the thing I love about depreciation is that it helps you save on taxes. But for the purposes of mortgage qualification or approval, it does not count against you. So in essence, it's a loss on paper, and for the IRS, it's a loss on paper. It's a legal tax write-off to the IRS, but not an actual monetary loss in your pocketbook. One of my properties provides me a $12,000 per year write-off, which means that it wipes out or cancels out $12,000 worth of rental income for tax purposes. However, if and when I decide to get approval for another investment property, that $12,000 tax write-off gets added back to my income for qualification purposes. So depreciation is a double-edged sword. It allows you to save on taxes, but for purposes of getting a mortgage, it counts as income. Another method is ancillary real estate investment income. For some real estate investments, this can be a huge source of profit. This ancillary real estate investment income includes things such as vending machines in office buildings or laundry facilities in rental apartment complexes. They basically serve as mini businesses within a bigger real estate investments, allowing you to make additional income on top of the rent that's collected. There are several ways to buy your first real estate investment. If you are purchasing a property, you can take out a mortgage against a property, meaning you would put a down payment and finance a balance over a 30-year period. The use of leverage is very attractive to many real estate investors, including myself. Reason being, it allows you to control and acquire properties that you would not be able to get unless you had all the cash. It's much easier to come up with $20,000 for a down payment versus $100,000 all cash. Leverage allows you to increase your purchasing power and overall return on investment. To manage risk and protect yourself, consider holding real estate investments through special types of legal entities such as a limited liability company or LLC, which is what I use personally, rather than in your own name. Now you should consult with a qualified attorney for their opinion as to which ownership method is best for you in your particular situation. I really hope you found value in the content. If you did, please like the video and share with others who could benefit from this information. Please leave any comments or feedback. Additional topics you would like me to make videos on, please let me know, because ultimately guys, I'm here for each and every one of you.